In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Salesforce org health. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or someone who's just starting out, keeping an eye on your org's health is key to maintaining efficient operations and ensuring the platform runs smoothly for your team. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're successfully logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're on your Salesforce dashboard, you're going to want to navigate over to the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a convenient little feature called the Quick Settings option. This tool is designed to give you swift access to various settings and customization options, all tailored to enhance your Salesforce experience. For our purposes today, it's our starting point for conducting an org health check. The next step is to click on Setup from the drop-down menu that appears. Think of the Setup section as your gateway to more detailed configurations and crucial system health tools. Now, you're just a couple of steps away from accessing the information you need. Within the Setup interface, take a look at the left-hand side. You'll see a prominently displayed Quick Find bar. This tool is there to help you swiftly locate specific settings among the numerous options available. In this Quick Find field, simply type the word Health. As you begin typing, watch how Salesforce dynamically filters through your options and presents you with the Health Check feature. Go ahead and click on Health Check, which will direct you to a page specifically designed to assess your Salesforce org's security and functionality. This particular page is integral. It allows you to review any potential vulnerabilities or issues that might negatively impact your Salesforce performance. What's particularly beneficial about this tool is that it gives you a clear overview of your org's health status, clearly highlighting critical security and operational details for you to evaluate. And just like that, you've skillfully accessed the Health Check feature in Salesforce in just a few short steps. This tool is truly invaluable when it comes to maintaining the efficiency and security of your organization's data. By regularly checking your org health, you're taking a proactive step to protect against potential disruptions, ensuring optimal performance for all your users and maintaining the smooth, continuous operation of your platform. So there you have it, a straightforward and essential procedure to keep your Salesforce org in top shape. It's well worth the few minutes it takes, especially considering the peace of mind it brings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. See you in the next video.